Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. I got Ipsy mail. So this is my August 2018 bag. Got something in there. So it looks like I got a brush. I'm gonna have to look online because I don't see. Sealed in a bag here. I don't see like on the handle what type of brush. Okay, but it is from Ipsy Glam, and it says that it's the SG62 brush. Super, super pretty. I really love that their brushes have these little crystals here. I just think they're so pretty. So I really don't know what kind of brush this is, but I could see myself using it to apply some powder under my eyes. It's really nice. Let me look on my... let me look it up on the Ipsy website here. Okay guys, so looking on my Ipsy page here for my glam bag, it says that this is a Ipsy Glam Rose Gold Blusher Blush. Blusher Blush. I'm reading that right, you guys. Blusher Blush. So it's not just for blush. It says the brush head shape makes it great for blending your highlighter, bronzer, and contour products too. So I really like this brush. I definitely won't use, I mean, this is just a bit small for me for blush, but I mean, I could even see myself using it for highlighter. I could see myself definitely, you know, packing a powder under my eyes. I could even see myself sweeping, you know, like a base color on my lids with this as well. So this is a really nice, I feel like a multifunctional brush. So I'm really happy to get this. So very cool. Okay, now here's the bag. I dove straight into the brush because it was loose in the bag, but didn't show you the bag. So this is nice, huh? It's got a little yellow like leather, fake leather pulley here, little tassel pulley, so that's cute. And here is the card. It says confidence level selfie with no filter, and then that's really about all. There's a 30% cash back when you snag. There's some different brands that you can get some cash back using the Ipsy Shopper. I've yet to purchase anything from Ipsy Shopper, but I definitely am going to check it out because I guess you earn cash back with it. So that is a pretty cool thing. Ipsy is $10 per month, and you get 5 products every single month. Sometimes I get full size. It's supposed to just be sample sizes, so like this brush is definitely a full size. It's not travel or anything, definitely a normal sized brush. And then let's see what else is in here. We've got from Ciate London, it says Glow 2 highlighter. So let's see. Well, that's a nice size. I would say this might even be full size here, actually. It says Ciate has the bunny on here, so it's a cruelty-free brand. And vegan, so that's cool. Let's see. It's a highlighter. Ooh, nice. That is the kind of color I like, actually. It's kind of champagne-y. Why do I have brownie batter? That's brownie batter. I was just helping my daughter make brownies. And now I have brownie batter on my arm. Nice. Don't mind me. Brownie batter. So yes, that is beautiful. And like I said, that is a nice big size. So I will definitely put this. The color, by the way, is Moon Dust. It says here on the back. Absolutely gorgeous. So I will put that in one of my Z palettes for sure. Next, I got... Ooh, the balm. I love the balm. This is foiled again. It says it's a foil eyeshadow. What's the color? I think the color might be, yeah, it is. It's locked up, and it looks like a gray color here. Ooh, That'll be a pretty lid color for sure. I recently was watching a video, another YouTuber talking about this foiled again palette and how nice it is. So I am definitely going to keep my eyes open for this to go on sale either on Outlook or Outlook, is that how you say it? Either on there or even on Ipsy Shopper. There's this palette, and then the other place that I like to shop is just on the Balm's website. They have 50% off sales every so often. I'm having a hard time speaking today, guys. But yeah, that is a really pretty color, and it almost has like a shift to it that almost is silvery purple, almost like a lavender purple. So really, really pretty. So loving those. And then I got a Pixie product. So let's see. This is a full size from Pixie too. I got a good bag this month. I'm really, really happy with it. Okay, this is a Fresh Face blush in Beach Rose. So very cool. Oh, you guys, it just feels like butter. So nice. And that is a really pretty color. It's it's got a pinkish, peachish, brownie sort of color. Blends out really pretty. Has a little bit of a sheen to it, but I don't mind. I guess it's not sheen. I guess it looks like satin, I would say, a satin finish. That is gorgeous. I really like that a lot. So I'm really happy to get that. Look at this, how pretty all these colors are. Very cool. And then the last product in my bag says, "Hey honey, take away the drama. Youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask." So is that the brand, Hey Honey? Yep, I guess the brand is Hey Honey. It says it's a 5 to 10 minute facial. It's been crafted to dramatically fight signs of tired and stressed skin, leaving incredibly smooth, vivid, and radiant skin after just one use. So that is very cool. I look forward to using that for sure. So that is everything in my Ipsy bag. What do you guys think? Did you get Ipsy this month? What did you get in your bag? Did you love your stuff? I'd love to know in the comments below. But I will just really quickly run through this really fast again. So I got the Hey Honey mask, the full-size blush brush from SL Miss Glam, a blush from Pixie, gorgeous. This foiled again eyeshadow in the color Locked Up from the Balm. And then I got this highlighter from Ciate, so in the color Moondust. So here's all the swatches again. I'm super, super excited about my bag this month. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will have a referral link below. Definitely click on that link and get subscribed. I feel like it's a really good deal for 10 bucks a month. And also you can sign up for the whole year and then you receive a further discount. So I think this was a great bag this month. Also just a couple of tips if you already have Ipsy and you're unhappy with what you get in your bags. Just make sure that you, every single month, that you review every product and that you update your, you know, they ask you a bunch of questions about your profile. So make sure you update that profile and make sure that you review every product that you get. And make sure you let them know if you got a product that you don't like, because then they don't put them in your bag. For example, I tell them I love the balm, and this is probably my 6th or 7th product over the last couple of years that I've received something from the balm. So I make sure that I let them know that I love products, and I make sure that I let them know when I don't love products. So I feel like it really helps to tailor toward things that I enjoy. So anyways, I hope that's helpful, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.